Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Andaria from Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. And this is my first video for my English assignment. I will describe about this. This is my vacuum cleaner. So let's check this out. This is my vacuum cleaner. The brand is Derma CM800 vacuum cleaner. I bought this product around years ago before the pandemic came. This is not so expensive because this product is very useful and helpful. The price is around 400,000 rupiah. This product is very useful since the pandemic came because I have plenty time to clean up my house, especially my rooms. There are a lot of products about this vacuum cleaner in the marketplace, such as Tokopedia, Shopee, Bukalapak, and Lazada. After looking for many reviews and specification and also the price, I choose my choice to this one product. Derma CM800 vacuum cleaner. If you buy this vacuum cleaner, you will get a box. And there are some items in the box, such as a unit of vacuum cleaner, a manual book in English, and a warranty card. This warranty card is very useful if your vacuum cleaner will get any problems within a year. And a small brush, but I forgot where did I put my brush. This brush is very useful to clear the HEPA filter. This body shape looks very elegant. This product looks like a stingray, and this product have only one color, which is glossy white. Which make this product looks more elegant and simple. And the material of this product is made of string ABS plastic. This is the power button with one speed model only. And this is the indicator lights to see the UV lamp lights up or not. And on the back, on the both side, there is a exhaust hole to let out the socket air. And we go to the bottom of this product. There are 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 front wheels function to activate the UV lights here. And this is the tapping contact quick function so that the mites and the eggs trapped in the dust box. The front shape has the same width as the UVC light hole. It helps knowing the exact position of the light. Without that detail, there will be some areas missed by the UVC lights. According to some research, not all types of UV light kill dust mites. Only UVC lights kills dust mites, and it is found on this CM800 vacuum cleaner. My CM800 has overheating protection. After about 20 minutes of use, the power starts to decrease significantly, so we have to rest. To activate the UV light, the 2 front wheels must be pressed. If there is an uneven part of the bed or pillow, we must press the front of the vacuum so that the UV lamp turns on. The cleansing process is easy. Wipe the body with the dry microfiber cloth. We can clean dust box and HEPA filter under running water, or simply wipe the dust box with microfiber cloth, then clean the filter with tiny brush provided in the package. The weight of this product is around 1.5 kilograms, and it's like enough for me to use. Overall, all the features of this vacuum cleaner are good enough, but there are some weakness about this vacuum cleaner, and the first one is the sound is quite loud than the other brands or the other product of vacuum cleaner. And second one is this product have auto shut off system that makes cleaning large area less ideal, as the time comes soon to wait for machine to cool off. Besides all the weakness of this product, I'm still happy with this vacuum cleaner because it's very useful in this situation. I think this vacuum cleaner is worth to buy, and I think this Derma CM800 vacuum cleaner is the cheapest one brand than the other vacuum cleaner in the media, in the online platform or marketplace. Okay, that's all that I can describe about my vacuum cleaner. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.